HIFULL Nano Titanium Dioxide is an ultrafine titanium dioxide powder with a purity exceeding 99.5%, produced via high-temperature hydrolysis of titanium tetrachloride in a hydrogen-oxygen flame. It features a mixed crystal structure of rutile and anatase phases, with excellent thermal and chemical stability, superior catalytic and photocatalytic efficiency, inherent UV photosensitivity. Serve as a heat stabilizer and flame retardant, offering exceptional resistance to high temperatures and aging in silicone rubber. Effectively decompose organic matter, purify air, and treat wastewater in photocatalysis. Act as a binder and sintering aid to enhance physical properties in ceramics and metal materials. Improve the cycling stability and durability of silicon carbon anode materials. Effectively mitigate battery degradation in lithium batteries. Function as a UV barrier in sunscreen. An indispensable raw material and additive for self-cleaning building materials and solar cells. HIFULL Nano Titanium Dioxide, with premium quality and stable performance, meet the rigorous and high standards of diverse application fields. HIFULL Nanomaterial, your expert in fumed nanomaterials.